How to add Optimism Wallet Address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add Optimism, you have to write Optimism in the search bar, but here be careful because there are two Optimism networks, and if you choose the wrong one when sending your coins, they may not come to your wallet. So be careful and choose the second one, then click here and finally click Done. So now Optimism token is on the main page of our Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. After that, click Receive, and one of the ways of receiving Optimism token is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto. But also, you can get Optimism crypto by copying your OP wallet address.